English 8. Practice. Comparative forms of adjectives and adverbs. Design. Thị Minh Thu. Choose the best comparative forms of adjectives and adverbs. 1. He runs fast, faster, the fastest, more fast than me. 2. He drives carelessly, careless, more carelessly than his father. 3. Farmers have to work hard, harder, more hard, the hardest than workers. 4. He plays soccer good, well, gooder, better than us. 5. Life in the countryside is peaceful, more peacefully, the most peacefully than that in the city. 6. He swims more quickly, quickly, the most quickly than they do. 7. Tom is lazy, lazily, lazier, the most laziest than his brother. 8. Peter reads books more quickly, the most quickly than Daisy.